We're gonna see the markets in a second, but let's get some okay. What's the link for this stream? I don't know, just copy it from here. Okay, let's see. Let's make some money. Let's make some money. Let's go. Let's go. Let's make some money. What's good, everyone? What's good? So quickly on gold, we swept Asia session. We're looking to go down. I wanna short this shit. I'm not gonna lie. I wanna short this. Where am I trying to short to? Let's see. Definitely like these lows. I feel like we're gonna have a rebound off these lows. Oh, we actually hit these lows already. Okay. Gold's playing with us right now. I don't think the market's gonna crash. Like that, I don't think we're gonna have like a crazy drop. But what I'm thinking is we got to just ride with the trend. But obviously I don't want to see some bullish. Let's see what we got. We got some bullish reaction out of here. So I want to see how price reacts to this liquidity level. Because right now we're getting like a rejection out of here. So I wanna see, because we could get like a bullish breaker structure. That's what we could be waiting for. Could be waiting for that. But I'm not interested in buys though. That's the problem. I'm not interested. I know Rams are showing me Euro USD. Euro USD was looking a little bit more cleaner. Haven't actually drawn anything. Euro USD is looking way cleaner. Let's have a look. Asian session lows. No, Asian session lows over there. London lows over here. Oh yeah, EU is looking clean. I'm gonna have to trade this. Cool, let's go on the 5 minutes. Let's have a look. Can we get a breaker structure? We actually got a breaker structure right here. Bro, I'm looking for an entry. Okay, I'm looking for an entry. Bro, I'm looking for a buy. This is quick. Maybe after this candlestick closes, I'm looking for a buy like this. Targeting pretty much could go all the way up to here. I'm gonna see. I'm looking for a buy. This is looking like an execution right here. But I might have to execute this one. I might have to execute. Yeah, I might have to execute this one, bro. I might have to go for it. I'm trying to have a look. What's the stop loss in? 6. Bro, that's a horrible entry though. I might wait for this candlestick to close. We're on the 1 minute. I might have to wait because I wanna get like a better entry. I'm gonna wait till a 1 minute fair value gap gets respected. I'm gonna wait for a 1 minute fair value gap to get respected. I'm liking EU though. Do you have any news today? It's already happened. Okay, calm. Come on, give me some sort of pullback, bro. Give me some sort of pullback and I'll enter. Give me some sort of pullback. And I will enter. Damn, bro. Oh man, that's a good push. Bro, I'm why didn't I see this earlier? I was literally just I should have entered exactly on 2. Yeah, man. I'm gonna wait for a pullback though. I'm definitely gonna wait for a pullback. Let's take a GU because sometimes like let's have a look. Oh bro, we are market's going up. Market's definitely going up. We're definitely targeting these highs right here. So I don't think actually, you know what? We might not even get like a crazy move actually. Now that I'm thinking about it. No, yeah, we might not even get. Is that a liquidity sweep? Is that equal lows? Basically equal lows. We didn't even sweep. I feel like we're gonna hit session highs. GU we're basically almost hitting session highs again. Damn. Damn. Okay. Gold's giving us something as well. Gold's giving us something. That's clean. Gold's giving us something. Euro USD. Euro USD is like, whoo. Any type of liquidity around this? No. Okay. We're just waiting for bullish order flow out of one of these 1 minute fair value gaps. Let me get rid of this for a sec. Let's see what the market gives us. Minutes. Yeah, I'm hoping for a little bit of a retracement, a little bit of pullback. Like that. There we go. That's what we like. That's what we like. At least up to like, okay, the 38.2 at least. But bro, that rejection's crazy. Okay. Okay. That's low-key, like, that's low-key an entry for me. Low-key. I don't even know if I want to keep it that low, though. I'm not liking, we didn't really break anything above, so I'm just going to hold it. I'm going to hold it for a second. If this candlestick can, like, push up, break at least these highs, then I'll go for an entry. I'll go for an entry. Bro, this market's moving weird. 20 seconds if I basically want it. I don't know where I'll keep my stop loss though. I don't know where I'm gonna keep my stop loss. Because if I keep my stop loss here, that's so tight. But I don't wanna keep my stop loss all the way down here either. But yeah, this market's tanking right now. So that's good. That's good. Okay, yeah, no worries, bro. Okay, cool. So we disrespected this fair value gap. Let's see the next fair value gap. Therefore, just stopped a hell of people out. This is why it's so important to be reserved. I'm looking at way too many markets right now though. Okay. The 5 minutes didn't break. We've got another 5-minute candlestick to wait for gold. I don't know, guys. What should I do? What should I do, chat? Should I go for gold buys? That's what I'm gonna go for gold buys, to be honest, because Euro USD is looking all right. It's looking all right. Okay, actually, you know what? I like this entry. Right here. I like this. This is nice. Keep our stop loss below pretty much this candlestick. Maybe we might. I don't like the way we're just tanking though. I'm not liking the way we're just tanking. If it wants to come into this fair value gap, I just don't want it to. Let's see how this candlestick kind of plays out. Not in anything just yet. Let's see, does it disrespect that? Okay, this fair value gap's getting respected quite well. Looks like we're trying to go for the 50 extension. Probably looking for like an entry like here then. Or bullish order flow out of this fair value gap. I'm not gonna lie to you, I think what I'm liking is definitely, I'm liking the buys. I'm liking the bullish order flow out of here. I'm liking that, to be honest. Only thing I'm worried about is that we had this bearish fair value gap and we got order flow out of it. Other than that though, I'm not too hesitant. Okay, I'm liking that we got bullish order flow out of equilibrium at the 50 extension. I am liking that. Let's just get order flow out of here and I think we should be good for this buy. Let's get bullish order flow out of here. I'm keeping my stop loss below these lows for sure. Can we get some bullish order flow out of here though, please? Guess EU is trying to give me a move. I'm guessing EU is trying to give me a move. Just get some order flow out of there. Oh, I'm not liking that candlestick. That candlestick didn't even come out. One more candlestick. Let's see what GU is saying. Bro, GU is weird. Create lower highs on GU. Oof, I don't think that will be a good. I think this is an SMT, guys. So this is what GU is looking like. And this is what EU is looking like. I think, because look, this is a high. We created lower highs here, but we created higher highs here. This is an SMT. We're crashing down. Guys, we are crashing down. That's unfortunate. SMT is a smart money trap. So this is trapping a lot of buyers to buy. But I'm just trying to think, why would that happen though? Oh, I don't like market structure on today. I don't like market structure today. Oh, bro. Okay, cool. Okay, I like gold though. I'm liking gold though, because for gold, all we need is now a fair value gap. That's all we need really. Which we low-key had over here, like a little fair value gap right here. But we got, okay, cool. Let's draw up all of this. Boom. Waiting for gold to kind of get all the... So Rams, the way the market's moving right now is just moving mad. Just not moving as clean as I want it to. But from what I can see is we obviously want gold to kind of push up. So I'm hoping that my first target for gold will be here, these highs, and then we got obviously all these sessions. But right now, I'm just looking for a 1 minute FVG kind of rebound. So I'm probably gonna go for a gold. I'm not liking EU. EU was looking clean, but just not liking. Looking for more of a long position like this. Don't know where to keep my stop loss though. Don't want to be too... Okay, that's order flow right there. If I keep my stop loss, I might have to de-risk on this trade. Oh. I haven't even entered yet, guys. I haven't even entered, guys. Haven't entered just yet. And the reasonings of why I haven't entered is because I feel like price needs to come down here. I just have a feeling that price needs to come into this area right here. For the 5 minutes. I want price to come into this 5 minute FVG. This 5 minute FVG looks like something that we can deal with. Price hits up here first, it's gonna be techie. But yeah, I want price to come down to here. I could get my fib levels out. And it's like, okay. Okay, we keep pushing up. Okay. This is target, obviously, number one. Ooh. After yesterday, though, I'm being very hesitant. Yesterday, we had some crazy moves. Being very, very reserved. That's about to get hit. That liquidity level is about to get hit. I think we're going to get a lot of bearish order flows in a sec. Okay, wow. Tanking. There we go. Low key what I wanted to see though. Low key what I wanted to see. We haven't even hit this level yet, so that's pretty significant. Mm. 2 minutes. Was this a 5-minute FAG? 1-minute FAG? Yeah, it was. That's how we had that rejection. I am hoping that we get some sort of drop before we tap these highs or this FVG on the higher time frame. Yeah, what a reversal. That is such a clean reversal. That is so clean. Clean. I really want price to pull back. I really do. I want it to pull back and get into this 5-minute FVG. Wow. Okay. Damn, when I said pullback, damn. I didn't mean it like that. Crazy. Whoa, what the hell? When I said pullback, I didn't mean like that. That's crazy. That is crazy. Come on, give us some nice rejections. Damn. Okay, we're in that FVG now. That's what we wanted. That's what we wanted, guys, right? That's what we wanted. I'm gonna get rid of this FVG. I don't even want that FVG getting involved. This is what I wanted. So, oof. I'm not liking the fact that we almost disrespected this FVG. I'm not liking the fact that we almost disrespected this FVG. We need to get this FVG back. We tapped into the last FVG. I'm not liking the fact that like the way we closed, bro. Crazy. I'm looking for a fib. I'm not getting no fibs. Bro, this is the last FVG I'm trying to see. If it's gonna tap into the 78.6, it can tap into the 78.6, but bro, you guys seeing this right now? What's causing this shit? Okay, we got dissipated on gold. It dissipated everything. Split that 1-minute fair value gap, this fair value gap. Now we just have to hope that we can get some sort of respect out of this order block that we got and respect out of this 5-minute fair value gap. If we get some bullish order flow at the 78.6, this could be something. This could be something if we can get some bullish order flow out of here. Wow, okay. Okay, I'm liking that. If we can close this candlestick bullish, if we can be bullish on that candlestick, I'm gonna be cool. I'm gonna be happy. I'm liking this though. I'm liking the fact that this is a very strong bullish candlestick. Wow. Wow. Brilliant. Okay. Okay. Give me that bullish order flow at that 5 minutes. And gold, I'm entering. Wow. That is clear. Well, let's have a look what Euro USD was saying for a sec. Yeah, see Euro USD. I'm so happy I knew that it was gonna crash down. I'm so happy that I didn't fall for it. I mean, we're respecting that, but I'm so happy we didn't fall for that. I just wasn't liking that. I'm liking gold though. Gold's doing exactly what I want it to do, which is what I like. If we could just close like this, bro, I will enter the trade. You've got 2 minutes left. I like this rejection. Hitting the 78.6 to the T, pushing upwards. I like this. Clean, clean, clean. So we're looking for like a position like this. Long position. Stop loss below here. A few pips. That's what I'm looking at. And obviously targeting these highs, basically. I'm probably going to use... I'm liking this, though. I'm liking this. Keep going. Keep going, gold. You got 1 more minute to kind of give us clean. Okay. 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 Wow. That's a big push. We just need it to kind of like... If it can stay in this area, that'd be nice. If it can stay in this area, that would be very, very nice. Got 30 seconds left. Stay in this area, my boy. What you saying, bro? What you saying, bro? What's good, what's good, what's good? I'm about to enter this shit. I'm about to enter this shit real quick. Come on. Damn. Damn, I haven't entered just yet, guys. I haven't entered just yet. Let it respect. Let it respect everything. Let it respect everything. Bro, if it does that, that's even better for us. Oh my days, that's even better for us. We can keep our stop loss even tighter. That's even better for us. Guys, I haven't placed a trade just yet, but if it can give us that order flow out of this last FVG right here, even better for us. Bro, what's going on with market conditions, bro? What the hell's going on? Bro, I don't even know where I'm gonna travel next to. I don't even know yet. I think I'm trying to go to Paris in a few weeks. Bro, what's going on with the markets, bro? I'm being like, bro, what the hell? What is going on with the markets? I thought you said the market's going to be choppy today. No, that was yesterday, bro. That was yesterday. The markets, I told you to full port short. Bro, I don't know what the market makers are doing, but crazy, bro. I think it's just trying to stop out all the early buyers, but the 5 minutes looking bullish to me, to be honest. Damn. Bro, it's disrespecting everything that I'm trying to trade with, bro. Guys, what's going on? I don't even want to... bro, full porting right now is crazy. Can we get a bullish breaker structure, please? Bro, this market conditions is crazy. Someone's got to find out why this is happening. What is Trump doing? What's Trump saying? Literally, news has already happened today. News has already happened. So what's Trump tweeting? Bro, I need to find out what the hell Trump's doing. What the hell is Trump doing? What has he released? Use Grok. Cool, let me use Grok. Has Trump tweeted to affect the US markets? Yeah, bro, I've asked. Cause I know he's trying to what, fire Mr. Powell, but come on, man, this is not what's meant to happen. This is not what's meant to happen. Bro, Grok's telling me today. I want to know today. I mean, we're back at this could be a liquidity sweep. Yeah, nothing's happened yet. It's not fundamental. It's nothing fundamental. Well, we got to break these highs to kind of make some sort of... Bro, I'm not liking this 5 minute. This 5 minute is bearish now. Whew. Yeah, this thing's got like 6 seconds to come back into this box, and we just respected that fair value gap. Yeah, guys, it's not looking like I'm gonna trade. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not looking like I'm going to trade at all. Bro, I'm expecting bullish order flows though. I'm expecting bullish order flow. Yeah, this caused the break structure. That's a valid fib. Waiting for a bullish break structure again in the lower time frame. Nah, for real, bro. For real. The market is crazy. Market is crazy right now. What the hell is going on? Euro USD is going down. I might just short Euro USD. I've literally... Yeah, bro. I might just short Euro USD. Because this is an SMT. I don't even want to force that though, because look what gold's doing, guys. Oh my god. Guys, we might actually have an entry on gold. Oh my days. Bro. What? Bro, that would be terrible entry. What's going on with gold, bro? What's going on with gold, bro? I haven't entered yet, guys. What the hell is going on with gold? Oh my days. We're going down. We're going down. We hit this target. I literally said I want it to not hit this target. I want to enter before it hits the target. We've hit this target. A lot of sellers are going to get involved now. A lot of sellers are getting involved, guys. Bro. I need an FEG hit. Let me clean up the charts a little. So my fib still works. My fib is still active. My FEGs are not active. My break structures are not active. Well, now it is. But looking at the markets, we're looking cooked. We're looking cooked right now. And I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm pretty much bearish only because I didn't want to hit this target. We hit this target. So that is another thing. That's another reason why I don't think I'm gonna look for a trade. We can still place trades. I mean, we just suspected the bearish order flow, the bearish fair value gap quite well, but we have such a big rejection. We're gonna have to see if this fair value gap is valid or not. We're just gonna have to see. But bro, the way it just pushed up is ridiculous. Ridiculous. The way it's pushed up is ridiculous though. I cannot believe that we had so many false entries, and then that's the kind of stick that we want to deal with, bro. Give me something, bro. Stop loss again below the 78.6. To me, my targets are all up here. If I'm gonna be real, that's my targets. But then we did sweep those highs, which could be a reason. But from what I can see on the higher time frame is we have this FVG and we're getting bearish order flow out of this FVG. That's what I can see right now. So unless this candlestick can break these highs, we're cooked. Break the previous candlestick high. 4 seconds. Okay. Okay. I'm not really liking that. I'm not really liking that. But I'll call it valid. I'll call it valid. I'm gonna say it's valid. I'm gonna say it's valid. Let's just hope that we can get bullish order flow out of this fair value gap. If we can get some bullish order flow out of this fair value gap, I think I might go for a buy. It's gonna be a risky buy, but I'm gonna have to do it. I'm gonna de-risk this trade though. I'm gonna de-risk. I'm only gonna risk 50% of my original position. So usually I go for like 2 lot size, 2.5 lot size, but I'm gonna go for like a 1. I'm about to get into macros as well. Bro, even Silver's saying to sell. Even Silver's saying to sell, guys. I'm really not sure what to do here. Because even Silver is literally saying sell the mother effing currency, bro. Commodity, gold. The way Silver's moving. Yeah, I'm gonna have to change my bias. Once we just suspect this FUG, I'm gonna have to change my bias. Because the way Silver's looking as well, looking like sell off. But this could be SMT. So again, it all depends on this FUG. I think this FUG is the decider of what's really gonna happen. I think this FUG definitely is the decider. Oh, because we haven't actually broken any bear. We haven't done a bearish breaker structure, whereas silver has done a bearish breaker structure. But then it's a thing where it's like, okay, cool, this could just be an SMT. So it's like, it could be a trap for sellers. So patient game again, just patiently waiting. Patiently waiting. Bro, what is this market, bro? What is this market? Are we at equilibrium? Yeah, we are. Yeah, we're at discount price. Okay. Really hesitating to break below that FVG. If we break below it, I mean, silver's valid, but doesn't look like we're gonna break below it. I don't think we're gonna break below it. I don't want it to. I don't want it to break below. I don't want it to break below. Don't do that. Guys, I'm not too sure, man. We're in this mad consolidation now. Bro, what the hell's going on with the markets, bro? Some mad consolidation. How can we break below and we just get a big impulsive move to the upside? Like, how can we actually disrespect? How can we disrespect that fib? To not respect this fib. Ooh, I'm liking that though. I'm liking this. I am liking this. 78.6 extension. Full. Ooh. Not liking the candlesticks though. Yeah, man. Whatever the market's got going on right now, it's not looking good. It's not looking good, bro. What do we even do in these instances when the market's like this, bro? Because we can't really do much. I'm still long in it though. I'm still looking for longs. I'm still looking for longs. I just feel like if FVGs are getting disrespected, I don't really like to use my fibs as like a respecting tool. But I don't know what we do in these instances. These instances you just don't trade. If you want to demo trade crypto, get a broker, bro. Like I think if you want to demo test crypto, go for Vantage broker. They have some good spreads for crypto. And just demo trade on that brokerage. Last night I was figuring out like if we can use AI to test out data for like 100 trades. Yeah, you'll need some ID, I think. Actually, no. I don't think for a demo account you don't need to. Or IC markets. IC markets you don't need it. You don't need you. But yeah, last night I was using ChatGPT to like basically track the last 100 days and basically based on my strategy give me a test of 100 trades that would happen, and obviously limiting myself to only trading New York session and one trade a day. And I think we had like a 60 something % win rate, which is pretty decent, which is pretty cool. But I'm still trying to figure out, because that could really help with a lot of traders, like not waste time with back testing and all that BS. It's like plug in your strategy, plug in your system. Obviously, back testing is to identify if your system actually works. Forward testing is where you want to fix your psychology, see if you can actually identify trades and stuff like that. So yeah, okay, I'm liking this bullish run. I'm liking this bullish run. Let's get rid of this for a second. I'm liking this bullish run. We need to break these highs for a sec. I'm liking this. Give us a little pullback. Oh, not right now though. Whoo! This is a big push. This is a big push. I'm just not liking that we have this bearish order block right here. We have this bearish order block. If we can crash out of this bearish order block, I think we're clear to go up. But yeah. Yeah, bro, that's what I'm looking for. Well, I'm not really actively looking, but I pay for ChatGPT, so I'm just that's what I use. But if there's any better APIs, then let me know. Bro, gold's just not giving us any moves though. Gold's not giving us any moves. I swear. Now my one's on the business, so yeah, bro. Gold's looking shit. Euro USD is looking terrible. We were meant to have a sell-off. We didn't have a sell-off, which I wanted. We disrespected all the fair value gaps. We're respecting the order blocks, but I don't really care about order blocks. GU's crashing. I'm hoping that gold gives me something, but it doesn't even want to give me a fair value gap. Yeah, bro, this guy's just waffling. Bro, you know what it is though? Actually, no, he's not waffling because he's right. Like, if you've mastered gold, like, high reward, right? But like, gold is very difficult to trade with. You have to be very, very patient. For someone that's impatient and someone that's like forcing trades and like stuff like that, I wouldn't. To be honest, I've been forward testing NASDAQ for a bit. I may be transferring to NASDAQ just because of, bro, look how clean these moves are. Look how clean this is, bro. Like, very, very clean moves compared to like gold, which is like, it wants to go up, it wants to push up, but it's doing, you know, something else. Even S&P, like, bro, look at, bro, we could have had a nice S&P move, you know? So it is very, 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 very difficult to place trades, but let's see. I might enter if we can break out this order block. I might just enter bit of an aggressive entry, but I might have to do that. Let's see if we can break this structure and break the order block. Then why is he still doing prop firms? I don't know, bro. I don't know. I think he's got like a good deal with these prop firms. To be honest, I wouldn't work with a prop firm just because I have my own capital to trade with. Like, why would I waste time? Like, I've learned the hard way that time is really, really valuable. Like, I've wasted time with a lot of people. But it's like, why would I work with a prop firm unless they're helping my community out? Then that's different. Then yeah, I would work with prop firms. But if the prop firm is not trying to work with me, then nah. I'm liking this bullish order flow though. I'm liking this bullish order flow. If we can just break out of this order block, I think we should be in the clear for gold to go up, but not looking like it will though. But it's like, look, if someone's told me that they've made 100K on prop firms and they're still using prop firms, I'm gonna be like, bro, what is the point? Like, what are you actually trying to achieve? Like, what is your ambitions? Like, what are you actually trying to do? Because like, bro, I don't know. I don't know. Like, I think you can trade with 50K and still have a good life, you know? So okay, I'm gonna go for a buy here, guys. I'm gonna go for a buy here. I'm long in this shit. Right here. I'm gonna put my stop loss. I'm gonna put my stop loss over here. And I'm gonna target these fib levels. This is what I'm going for. I'm just gonna plug in these stop losses and stuff like that. So 3314.3314.92. I'm going for long, guys. Gold just messing around too much. And then targets, I'm not actually let me put full TP 24.68. That's not even my full TP, to be honest. My full TP is, yeah, that's a good buy. That was a good buy still. I'm gonna move my stop loss to break even once we go above these highs. Once we push up above these highs, I'm gonna move my stop loss to break even. Wow, what a good push. What a good push. I know we're gonna get some sell-offs right here, but let's see what the hell happens. This was pretty much an aggressive move, so I am okay with price coming into this fair value gap and stuff like that. I am okay with price doing that. So I've de-risked this trade completely as well. So I think we got another fair value gap here as well. Let me get rid of this order block. We disrespected it. But yeah, I'm okay. I'm okay with the drawdown that this trade will give me. Did you enter? Yeah, I've entered. I've literally entered. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. If this bullish candlestick reverses into a selling candlestick, that would be crazy. That would be so unfortunate. But yeah, let's see. I'm liking how order flow is moving right now. I'm liking how the market's moving there. I'm liking that rejection as well. That not rejection, that order flow out of that FVG. I'm liking that as well. What's my time? It could go for, this is like a what, 1 to 2 RR? Something like that. Yeah, 1 to 2. Oh, clean. I entered exactly right here at 33.18. As soon as this candlestick closed, I entered clean. I'm liking that though. Once we like go above here, like we've hit here, but I want it to go above there, then I will move my stop loss to break even. I feel like it's too close to move my stop loss to break even right now. I feel like it's way too close. I'm liking this bullish candlestick though. Expected drawdown, that's fine, but I'm just hoping that this is not a reversal point. I'm just hoping that's not a reversal point. Once we push above here, I think I'll be happy with moving my stop loss to break even, but I'm just gotta be very patient. Push up, bro. We've got 5 seconds. There we go. Yeah, moving my stop loss to break even, guys. Moving my stop loss to break even. Damn, I haven't done this in a while. Trading live with you guys. That's good. So TP1 basically hit, but obviously I've just moved my stop loss to break even. I think this is going to be my TP1, and I'll close half my positions at TP1. We're pushing up though. We're pushing up. That's nice. Boom. There we go. There we go. I like that push. That's clean. And stop loss is at break even, guys, as well. Stop loss is at break even. Not liking that rejection though. As long as this candlestick doesn't turn bearish now, we should be clear. We should be in the clear. If it turns bearish, then fair enough. Really and truly, I might even leave a runner just to get up to these highs. But we'll see. We shall see. I'm literally floating like 160. Bro, that crash down is getting close to my stop loss. Bro, what the hell happened to my app? Okay, I got stopped out at break even. Wait, no, I haven't. No, I haven't yet. It's very close. Okay, I'm out. Okay, GG's. So, got a break-even trade today. Fair enough. Can't complain. I was up like almost 2 bills. Can't complain though. It is what it is. So, but yeah, everything's all clear. I think my break-even point was just a little bit higher than my entry. I think because of like spread and stuff. But yeah, I got stopped out, guys. But let's see what happens with price action. Let's see what happens. Yeah, literally, bro. It's calm. But this trade should have got me at least a bag. At least a bag still. I can't lie. I was risking around 7 bills. This trade should have given me at least a bag. But it is what it is. I think we were up like, I think the highest point we were up was like 3 bills. But bro, I'm not liking the way price. If this now pushes up, I swear that's gonna be so annoying. I'm not liking this price action though. This is giving bearish order flow. Yeah, man. That's a GG's though. That is a GG's. Stop loss at break-even trade. That is a full GG's. But this is giving me bearish order flow. The fact that this candlestick turned, like this is crashing down. If any of you guys are trying to buy gold, like this is most likely going to crash down now. Or maybe not. Maybe not. If this starts to push up, bro, that's going to be funny. But yeah, I'm expecting that. I'm expecting a push down now. I mean, this is looking like a good sell-off. I'm not going to lie to you. This is looking like a good sell-off for anyone that's trying to trade. Do you not ever exit the market before liquidity points, or does it just go straight against your strategy? I mean, like, for example, this one, my targets weren't liquidity. My targets were the fib levels, just because the markets was moving like weird. And the only thing that was respecting was my fib levels. So it just depends. Like, this was liquidity. My rules are that if we hit liquidity, take some partials. Because it was so close to my entry point, I didn't want to take partials because it just doesn't make sense. I would have closed like, I think, 150 pounds at this level, and it just wouldn't make sense for me. Like, cool, I would have made 150 pounds, but it's like that. For example, let's just say I had a smaller account, that would have been 15 pounds, or that would have been £1.50. You know, you wouldn't do that. So it's just a thing where it's like, I don't mind it hitting break even because I've got another opportunity tomorrow. Well, tomorrow I don't trade, but next week. But this week's been a slow week. I haven't actually traded at all this week, like zero trades at all. So I was hoping to be a little bit more aggressive today, but unfortunately, market hasn't really given me anything. I could trade more, but like to cover up the days that I missed. But I don't know. I'm just not feeling the markets today, and I really want to get into Nasdaq. Like, bro, look at Nasdaq, bro. This is the kind of trades I wanna play around with. Like this is the markets I wanna really be trading with. So in the next few weeks, you guys are gonna see me definitely trading definitely trading indexes. I need to transition. I've been trading gold for too long. And there's nothing wrong with gold, nothing wrong with it. It's just that gold has hit all-time highs and bro, it's been too much for me recently. And I've been practicing Nasdaq for like 3 months now. So it's about time I actually start executing. It's about time. But I mean, 1 hour session, not too bad. Break even trades. I mean, first live trade in like a few months. The last time I went live with my Discord community, like what? Last time was May times. So this is pretty sick. This is pretty cool. Um, but yeah, chat. Do you have any more questions for me today? Do you have any questions for me? If not, I'm gonna head out. I'm gonna maybe get some lunch with my missus, and we're gonna see what next week holds. I'm not gonna be live tomorrow, but I'll definitely be live on Monday, and we're definitely gonna be cooking up. And hopefully in the next few weeks, you guys will see me transition to Nasdaq and S&P 500. But yeah, but guys, that's pretty much it. I know TikTok. Why you not live tomorrow? Because it's Friday, bro. It's Jumma. So I don't trade. I physically can't trade, to be honest. I physically can't trade during Jumma times. And also, there's another thing is like I don't want to be in Jumma looking at my phone, looking at my P&L all the time. Like it's just gonna be, it's gonna be long. But um, by next week though, we're gonna be back on TikTok. So we're gonna be streaming on Twitch and TikTok because TikTok tried to nerf me, but we've got it sorted. So hopefully by Monday we should be back on TikTok, which is gonna be cool. So we're definitely gonna get a larger amount of people on this live stream. But I appreciate every one of you that were in this live, and I'll see you next week, guys.